Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about the Pacific Northwest region of the Native Americans. Specifically, we're going to learn about where this region is located, what kind of food they ate in this region, what the climate was in this region, as well as what shelters they used to protect themselves. So let's get started with where are they located?
What is and what was the location of the Pacific Northwest Native Americans? Native Americans of the Pacific Northwest live in the northwestern part of the United States, in the states of Washington, Oregon, and Northern California. They also live in the Canadian provinces of British Columbia and Vancouver. What kind of food did Native Americans of the Pacific Northwest eat? Well, they utilized their physical environment to meet their needs for food. That meant that they hunted, they gathered, and they fished. Native Americans from the Pacific Northwest were hunters. They hunted mountain goats, sheep, deer, moose, bear, and elk. In addition to hunters, Native Americans from the Pacific Northwest were expert fishermen. They fished for a variety of fish and sea mammals that included seals, whales, salmon, and a variety of shellfish. Native Americans from the Pacific Northwest were experts in hunting the whale. A giant whale could feed their tribe for many months. In addition to being great hunters and great fishermen, they were also gatherers as well. They would gather nuts, berries, bulbs, and roots from their natural environment. What kind of climate did the Native Americans of the Pacific Northwest have? Well, they had mild summers, cold winters, and up to 127 centimeters of precipitation annually. Boys and girls, it rained all the time. What kind of shelter did Native Americans of the Pacific Northwest live in? They lived in plank houses. They were considered a permanent shelter, and they were used for over 4,000 years. They could even occupy anywhere from 10 to 12 people. They were made along the coasts, and they're made from waterproof cedar planks of wood.